everyone. Welcome back to Vani Vision. Hope you all are doing well. And I think so that maths, as by following us, you are thinking that maths is too easy. So if you are feeling that it is too easy, you can comment me your views in my comment box. By that, I'll be happy by seeing the comments like what are your views and what you people are thinking about the content, whatever I'm explaining here. Right? Today I'm back with a concept that is square root. So it's quite difficult, right? Square root, the word itself, root of a number, right? But it is difficult. But I'm here there for you people to make it easy. Here, square root of any number. Here we are going to discuss. So today we are going to discuss about square root of a number. So before going into the square root, first we should know the squares of 1 to 9 or 0 to 9. It's easy, right? From 0 to 9, everyone can say, like on our mouth only we can say like 0, 0, 0. 0, 1, 1 ones are 1. 2 2s are 4. 3 3s are 9. Like that, right? So it's easy. So we should know this. 0 square, 0. 1 square, 1. 2 square, 4. 3 square, 9. 4 square, 16. 5 square, 25. 6 square, 36. 7 square, 49. 8 square, 64. 9 square, 81. 10 square, 100. Clear? So we are going to see up to 9 itself. Clear? So first, so I'm going to say you in two ways actually it is. So one will be having a direct answer we'll be getting. So, and the other number will be having two answers. We have to choose our one answer from it. Clear? So carefully you see the video, watch it till the end, then only you are going to understand the concept for which sort of problems you will be having a exact answer and which sort of problems we will be having a, we have to get it an answer by using some small trick over there. Clear? So my first example is root over 1600. So just nothing I'm seeing here, I'm doing here. See, 1600 is there, right? So square of 0, square root of 0 will be what? 0 only, right? If a last digit is 0, what is the probability of getting a 0 as an answer? See here, 0, 1, 4, 9. So anywhere else units place 0 is there? We have to see only units place over there. Units place we have to see. Any one of the number is having a units place over there? No. So here it is what? 0. So our answer will be 0. Then cut it off last two digits. Okay. Now 16 you see. Any of the number is having a 16 over here? Yes, 4. So 40. So what is your answer? 4, 0. So when you multiply also, you'll be getting the same answer. See. 0, 0, 0, 60. And answer is what? 1600. How many seconds it has taken for us? Very less, right? And then my second example is 841. Same here also. 841 I have taken here. Clear? Now see the units place. In the units place, what number is there? 1 is there, right? Now the 1. Check it out. It may be 1 or it may be 9. So here we may get two answers over there. Like it may be 1 or it may be 9 in the units place. That number may be the square root of 841 over there. Clear? Then cut it off the last two digits. Then 8. Exact 8 you are having? No. So less than 8. So 9 is greater than 8. Then the less than 8 means 4 only. So here I am going to take 2. So it may be 21 or it may be 29. So the answer may be 21 or 29. So in between these two, 25, we can easily find out the square of the 25, right? Yes or no? We can easily find out the square of the 25, sorry. So 2 3s are 6, 25. So now 625 is bigger or 841 is bigger? 841 is bigger. That means 21 is not our answer. What is our answer? 29 is our answer. Square root of 841 is what? 29. So you can check it. 29 into 29. 9 9s are 81. 9 2s are 18. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. 18. 2 2s are 4, 5. 1, 14, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is our answer? 841. It was easy, right? Is it easy? Right? We can even do the bigger numbers also by using this method. Clear? So I think so you have clearly understood how to do the square root of the numbers. So you can take a more number of examples and you can do the concept here. Like see, root over 400. 0, cut it off 2. Right? Root over 2500. Then 0, 5. Right? You can easily do it. Root of that numbers. Clear? Now, first number may be root over 1156. Here in this method like this. See. So, 6, it may be 4 or 6. Right? Now, cut it off to 10. 11 means what? It may be 11 is not there. Less than 11 is what? 9. So, it may be 3. So, answer may be 34 or 36. So, to get whether it is a 34 or 36, we should know about square of 35. Right? So, 3 4s are 12. 12, 25. So, 35 square is only bigger than that, right? So, answer may not be 36. Answer will be what? 34. You can check it over there. So, 34 into 34. 4 4s are 16. 4 3s are 12, 13. 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 9, 10. 6, 5, 1, 1. Is it correct? So, if they have given you a decimal over there like this. See. If they have given you the decimals, it's quite difficult for you, right? Root over 11.56 they have given you. So here also how you are going to find out means 1156 same. 6 how many times square of the 6 will be what? It may be 4 or 6. 4 4 is 16 or 6 6 is 36. It may be 4 or 6 same. 4 or 6. Cut it off. Now 3. So 34 or 36. What will be our answer? 34. So decimal after 2 numbers it was there. So we are going to write decimal after 1 number. Clear? This will be our answer like 3.4. When you multiply 3.4 into 3.4, you are going to get 1156. After 2 numbers decimal is there 11.56. In this way, we are going to solve all the square roots in an easy way. Clear? Just you should know the squares of the 0, 1, 2 up to 9 if you know it. Then by using a approximate method, if exactly zeros are there, exact number you are going to get it. But if zeros are not there and numbers are there in the between, approximate answer we can get it. In the competitive examinations, he is not going to ask you the method like continuously one on one. He will be giving you the problems. Right? In that problems, we have to check it over there. So, what is the square root of 16036? They will be asking you. So, their options they will be giving you, right? 1, 2, 3. Like A, B, C, D, you will be giving, right? From that, we are going to check it out, right? So, we can easily do it by using this trick. So, whatever the option is there, so whatever the answer approximately we are going to get it, right? That will be there exactly over there. We can answer that. So, that's the reason my part 2 video is going to come for you for the how to solve the square root problems. Yeah, it's like in an easy way we are going to solve the square root problems. So I think so the concept is clear for you. So if you people did not understood anything, like any concept is not clear for you, you can comment me. So I'm here to clear your doubts. Clear? Then stay tuned to Vani.